Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you very special and interesting techniques in order to differentiate the real organic fruits and vegetables when you're doing the shopping. With these methods, you're going to find out in the supermarket that the fruits and the vegetables that you're buying, they are really actually organic or not. They are very simple and very easy methods and you're never going to forget it. So let's find out.
In this video, I'm going to give you some great tips and methods which you can easily find out if fruits and veggies are actually organic or not. So let's do it. Method number 1, appearance. Organic fruits and veggies are usually ugly looking and you won't find that perfect shape and shine usually you see in most of the fruits and veggies nowadays sells in the supermarkets. And they never look alike. It is almost impossible to find two organic produce of the same which they look alike. They always are different in shape from each other, and each fruits and leaves is different. Method number 2, size. Organic fruits and veggies are usually smaller in size and you won't find huge sizes in organic fruits and veggies. Method number 3, smell and taste. Organic fruits and veggies usually have more fruity smell and taste better. If you smell inorganic fruits and veggies, they usually are smellless. Also, it has been said that the taste of organic fruits sometimes are mixed with some kind of sourness as well, and not that sugary taste that you get from inorganic fruits. Method number 4, seeds. Organic fruits usually contain more seeds than inorganic fruits. Method number 5, worm and insects. Finding worms and insects in your fruits and veggies is a good sign that they are organic. Insects do not exist in organic pesticide fruits. Method number 6, shelf life. Organic fruits and veggies have shorter shelf life comparing inorganic produce. Inorganic fruits and veggies might stay in your fridge for up to weeks, but an organic fruits or veggie will expire soon within days. Method number 7, cooking. Organic fruits and veggies cook much faster than inorganic ones. Method number 8, PLU, price lookup. Price code starting by number 9 in fruits and veggies label is an indicator that the produce is grown organically. Method number 9, price. Organic fruits and veggies are usually higher in price than inorganic ones. So, these tips and methods helps you to pick the real organic fruits and veggies in supermarket and to make sure they are actually organic after buying them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great tips and videos. I will be coming soon with another useful videos just for you.